Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous Ram 3500 Laramie. Crew cab, long bed. It's got some custom wheels on it. They're 22.5s, wrapped in like brand new tires. This truck's fully loaded with leather, overhead console, power seat, all the goodies. Got some extras too. Little step bar in the back. It's got Weston side steps, ARE tonneau cover, bug guard, wind deflector. Runs and drives perfect. Four-wheel drive, heated seats, fogs. Sport package gives you color-coded bumpers as well. Inside it's loaded. Leather and suede interior. Audio controls on the steering wheel. 56,724 miles. All stock mechanically, runs and drives fantastic. 6-disc changer up front, heated seats, obviously four-wheel drive. Dash pad, overhead console, and in gorgeous condition. Infiniti sound system. Clean title in hand, ready to roll. Truck is dirty, but it is in pretty mint shape. Turbo diesel, just like, wow. Super solid motor. They're highly tunable. These are ABS wind deflectors. The wheels are 22.5 inch. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.